Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's me, Engr.ashfaq. Today with a new tutorial of AutoCAD. So let us start. So this is the figure which we are going to sketch. First of all, I'm going to draw a horizontal reference line. So select the line and activate the command. Now I'm going to draw a vertical line at the midpoint of that point, targeting the circle center. Now I am going to draw that line below at a distance of 100. Now I am going to sketch 3 circles with R18 and R35 or 45. So select circle with a radius and sketch these 3 circles. After sketching these 3 circles, now looking to our figure, as at the right and left we have 3 small circles with R18, R9 and R24. So select circle and draw these 3 circles at a distance. After sketching these 3 circles, now I am going to sketch a line at the upper edge. Now I am going to mirror these 3 circles across the vertical line on other axis of the y-axis. Now trim the extra entities looking to a figure. So we have trimmed the extra entities. Now offset the center line at a distance of 12, 6 and 6 from each side. And coming below at a distance of 65, 100. I am going to sketch the rectangular portion of our figure as shown in the figure. Now draw a line at a distance of 14 from below and trim the extra entities. Now draw a line from the end to the circle and mirror it. First we are going to sketch the upper portion of our figure. So offset the central line at a distance of 24 from either sides and give a height of 65 on upper side. So now trim the extra tree. This is our final figure which we have drawn. At last we are going to give proper dimensioning. Or select dimensioning and go to linear for linear dimensioning and select center radius for circles. If you like my work, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel for more upcoming interesting video. So now our figure has been completed. So this is the final figure. At last we are going to take a print out of our figure. Select that display and draw a window across your figure. Center the plot and click OK. Take a print out in PDF. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.